Dev error 6068 in Call of Duty is still around, and it's usually tied to graphics settings or corrupted files. Here's how you fix it. Step 1. Open Battle.net or Steam, right-click COD, and run a scan and repair. Most of the time, this alone fixes corrupted files. Step 2. Go into your graphics settings, set the game to run in DirectX 11 instead of 12. That's the most common fix for stability. Step 3. Turn off background overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. These can conflict and cause the crash. Step 4. Update your GPU drivers. If you're already up to date, roll back to the latest stable driver because sometimes the newest ones cause issues. Step 5. Lower your VRAM usage. In-game set textures to normal instead of high, and disable ray tracing if you're using it. And as the last resort, run the game as administrator and force it to launch in windowed borderless. That combination usually clears up 6068. Do these steps in order and you should be back playing without the crash. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.